An A-B trust, its definition, how it works, and tax benefits. In this video, I'll explain all of that. An A-B trust is an estate planning tool used by married couples to minimize estate taxes and ensure their assets are distributed according to their wishes. Here is in a simple explanation. Definition. Now, an A-B trust is a type of trust arrangement that splits into two separate trusts when one spouse dies. These two trusts are called A, or survivors trust, and B, or bypass trust. How it works. Creation. While both spouses are alive, they create a joint trust. Number 2. Splitting. When the first spouse dies, the joint trust splits into two separate trusts. A trust, survivors trust. This trust holds surviving spouse's share of the couple's assets. Surviving spouse can use these assets as they wish. B trust, the bypass trust. This trust holds the deceased spouse's share of the assets. The surviving spouse can benefit from income generated by the B trust and in some cases use the principal for certain expenses, but they do not own the assets outright. Number 3. After the second spouse dies, the remaining assets in both trusts are distributed to the beneficiaries, usually the couple's children, as specified in the trust agreement. Tax benefits. Estate tax reduction. By splitting the assets into two trusts, the A-B trust helps ensure that each spouse's state tax exemption is fully utilized. This can significantly reduce or eliminate estate taxes. Assets protection. This is number 2. The assets in the A-B trust are not considered part of the surviving spouse's estate, providing protection from creditors and reducing the taxable estate when the second spouse dies. Example. Let's say a married couple has 10 million in assets and the federal estate tax exemption is 5 million per person. Without an A-B trust, if one spouse dies and the surviving spouse inherits everything, the totals could be subject to an estate tax after the second spouse dies. However, with an A-B trust, the 10 million split into two trusts, each taking advantage of the 5 million exemption, potentially avoiding estate taxes altogether. Overall, an A-B trust is a valuable estate planning strategy for married couples looking to reduce estate taxes and protect the assets for their heirs. Now, this is only available in the United States as far as I'm concerned. If it is available in other countries, please let me know. Thank you for watching. This is A-B Trust. Thank you.